Are you having problems with your Venmo backup payment not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Venmo app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here. Scroll down just a little bit and then click on general, and here as you can see, then scroll down a little bit again and click on storage. And by the way, if you have an Android, then you can do the exact same thing as well. Just find storage in your settings. So just go into your settings and then find storage, and then it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide after that as well, just so you know. So it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android. So we're just going to wait a couple of more seconds for this to load, and now we're just going to scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says Venmo. So click on Venmo. Now you're going to click on Upload App, and then once again click on Upload App. And here, as you can see, just going to wait a couple of seconds, and then once again click on the blue button. And the reason why you need to do this is because you need to actually update your Venmo to the latest version to be able to fix this bug. So we're just going to actually wait a couple of seconds for this to load completely right now, as you can see. So just wait, and when it's done, go back into your Venmo app and then log in into your account if you already weren't logged in, of course, and then you're going to check if your backup payment is now working. So I did this myself, and afterwards I was able to fix this issue, so I hope that it's going to work for you as well.